Hey friends, if you wish to use GitHub Desktop in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for it in the search bar and then click on download next to the option, or go to its official website and click on download. Download for Windows 64-bit. It won't work on the 32-bit systems. Click on open. It will need a few seconds to download the launcher, and once it does, it will be launched. Okay, the GitHub Desktop has been launched. Okay, and then you can sign into it. Okay, and you can create your account. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.